Hey, it's Miguel here. Have you had that problem with your Trailblazer slash Envoy where you get a buzzing sound from the speakers? Better yet, coming from the right side? Well, I had that problem ever since I got this Trailblazer about 3 years ago. I had the stock stereo back then. I added this like 2 years ago. Anyways, I found that problem to that buzzing sound, and I constantly check forums many times. Even took it to a mechanic to check any ground issues for that buzzing sound, and charged me like $230. Said, hey, I can't fix that problem. Anyways, this is your problem right here. The stock OEM harness. And the reason how I found this out is I took apart the back area where the amp is located. Started messing with the ground cables there. I'm thinking it was maybe the amp, but it wasn't. I even rerouted the ground cable all the way to the back. And well, long story short, this is your problem. And I found that out because I got so upset to figure this out. I started just slapping it. It started buzzing like crazy, cutting in and out. Well, this is what I did. Just connected the wires from the stereo directly to the OEM wires without this. Really pisses me off how this is really all it needed. But yeah, you want to get rid of that buzzing sound completely, do it the hard way. Get rid of this, forget the adapters, and have fun doing it. It took me 4 hours, killed my battery, but hey, no more buzzing sound. Good luck, you guys.